So sometimes you just want to make a repair on your own. Maybe your insect mesh has got a rip in it. Effectively, they are repaired in exactly the same way. Bit of thread, needle. I have threaded the thread through the needle and then tied a knot in the end. And then what we're going to do is going to start at one end of the damaged area. And we'll put the needle through some of that, and then we're going to go through pretty much at the same place again, just to get a bite on it. Then we're going to come in about 2 millimeters into some of the good mesh, and we're going to just repeat coming through there and then taking 2 millimeters, and we're going to just kind of spiral all the way down that damaged area. There you go. You can see I'm just spiraling in and out, closing this damaged area and bringing it back together. The insect mesh is pretty forgiving, and I've done a pretty crude spiral stitch this way. Now I'm going backwards so that there's like a cross stitch pattern, and you can see that actually, like, no matter how crude my stitching is, the mesh has healed quite nicely, and they've come together, and a 2-minute repair has fixed the problem. So once you feel like you've done enough sewing to sign it off, you go through the same place again, and then through the loop that you've just made, pulling it tight, and one more time through the densest part, cut again through the loop, and then you can cut it or bite it off, and you've got yourself a repair.